Welcome back to Food Ecstasy. Perfect banana cookies with small pieces of bitter chocolate inside are so soft and easy to cook. It is a classic combination that everyone will enjoy. To make the simplest dough in your life, mix together butter, brown sugar, mashed bananas, and vanilla extract. Blend it until smooth. Then gradually add the flour and cornstarch. The dough should be well mixed until it is thick and sticky. Put in some crushed chocolate and mix it once again. Cover a baking tray with a parchment paper. Take 1 heaped tablespoon of dough for 1 cookie. It should be 11 to 12 cookies. You may adjust the size of a cookie as you wish, but remember that they will spread a little while baking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes. Your cookies should be soft in the middle, but with the golden edges. They need time to cool down for 3 to 5 minutes on the tray. Finally, put the cookies on the plate for 10 to 15 minutes to finish cooling. Despite its simplicity, this recipe is going to deliver that marvelous, chewy and crispy taste. Isn't that the main reason why we all love cookies? So what do you think of the new episode? Share in the comments below and subscribe to our channel to support us. Check out the videos from this screen and we will see you next time.